I believe we are live. Please give me a moment. I'll make sure everything is working fine and we'll get started. Okay, everything seems to be working good. Hello and a very warm welcome to you. My name is Uzair and today is the 14th of January, I should say, 2021 at 4 o'clock in the afternoon in the UK. Every weekday at this time and on this channel we go live, where we cover topics such as Google Ads, digital marketing, video ads and video marketing, workflows, pretty much anything and everything to do to help you with the business, to help you market yourself, advertise more, generate more leads or sales. Every weekday we have a different topic, obviously, but on Thursdays it is purely question and answers, and I'll try my best to answer any questions you may have. And there is a comment box around the video, so please put in your question on there. I'll try my best to answer them for you, so please don't wait until the very last moment, as there is a few seconds transmission delay and I may not be able to see your question before I switch off the transmission. So let's get the show started, shall we? Okay, so before we start, I just want to give a quick intro about the new coaching program we have launched, which is Like a Boss. In this you will learn loads and loads of things: Google Ads, video ads, Google Display Network, Tag Manager, Analytics, how to set up your marketing dashboards, how to do your workflow. And this program is in its infancy right now. There is going to be a lot more content which is going to be added very soon. There is a URL on your screen, so you can go there and you'll get some more information, and there's a masterclass over there as well, which will give you a flavor of the kind of coaching we have and the training we have. Because what I want you to be able to do is to become really good at all these platforms, be it search ads, shopping, video, display, and get more leads or sales. Because right now we don't know when this COVID situation is going to go away, and everyone is in the same situation, which is the lockdown. We need to promote ourselves by using the power of the internet, and I'm just going to switch off everything so I don't get any notifications. Apologies for that. I think I have done that now. So where was I? Yes, there's no way out at the moment. Everyone's boxed in, locked in. The only way out is through online marketing, and this is what we have been doing since the lockdown started in March 2020. We started our live stream, but we have also been uploading videos on a regular basis. It has helped us promote our business, helped us get more leads and sales, and certainly help us grow our business. So if it can work for me and my business, it can certainly work with yours as well. So the focus of 2020 is to get as many businesses, professionals and marketeers online. I know everybody's online, but what I mean by that is properly, not just throw an ad here or there, stop start, and don't know what you're doing. You've got to have a plan, and this is what this coaching program will help you focus on all these things, and then you won't be able to get off track, and your customers and your potential customers won't be able to get away from you, because wherever they go, your name and your brand will be in front of them. Okay, so that's enough of Like a Boss. So let's get started with with the Q&A. There's loads of questions which were sent to me via WhatsApp, email, on YouTube. I am just going to bring this up so I can keep an eye on the questions as well. So those of you who are live here right now, I will tend to your questions towards the end of the session when I've gone through a handful of questions on the slides. So Hernan, thank you for joining us. It's lovely to see you. And yes, we are all good and safe, thankfully, and hope all is well in Argentina as well. So if you have any question, Hernan, please put them in and I'll try my best to answer it for you. Okay, so this question is from Drupal. Hi Uzair, after a client is interested in my Google Ads offer and program, okay, good, well done. How can I let them know the expected leads and conversions with a particular ad spend? Keyword planner does not seem to be accurate enough. Can you recommend some tools? It's a great question, and this is a question which a lot of you get snookered with and stumbled upon. So the best thing is, and the good thing is, that you've got someone interested with your Google Ads program or offer. I believe you're managing their campaigns, right? Now, nobody can give an expected leads or conversions before the campaigns has been started. We can certainly forecast, but we can't guarantee anything, because no matter how well I run and plan the campaign, if the landing page experience is not good, the offer is not good, the call to action is very weak, no matter what I try in Google Ads, the conversions won't happen on the landing page. So it has got to, everything got to work together, right? One little piece of jigsaw which is missing, and the jigsaw will not get completed, right? So you got to have the keywords, the ads, the landing page experience, and the offer. The pricing as well needs to be in line, because if you're too expensive than your competitors, the conversions won't happen. Got to look at all these things. Unfortunately, most customers don't know of this. What they expect is, they hire somebody like me or you, they're thinking, well, I've got a professional in now, I will get leads and sales from day one. It will never happen. Yes, it may happen if they have got a lot of data in the account. So what I see that you saying that the keyword planner does not seem to be accurate enough, it means, and it is telling me that there's not enough data in the account, so you're not getting that accurate figure. Even if it did give you the accurate figure, you will not get the conversion rate or how many leads can you expect. So what you can do is you can say, okay, this is my budget, this is the cost per click. So we know by dividing that, we can potentially see how many visitors will come onto our website. Then you work out on some forecasts. If I have a 2%, 5%, or 10% conversion rate, I'm going to get so many leads or conversions at such and such price. That's only pure forecast. And then you need to work out your customer lifetime value. How much can you afford to pay for a lead? And what is the conversion rate of your client? Because no matter how good I am over here in Google Ads, if I'm sending them leads and they don't call the leads, or they don't convert them, the ball is not in my court anymore. I can't convert those leads for them. It's their business. They have got to do that. And also the same applies to all of you. If they say to you that, well, these leads are not converting, then you need to dig deeper into it, whether the quality of the leads are good or not, or whether their sales process or the follow-up process is good or not. There's no tools in the world will tell you, okay, if you put in this much money, you're going to get so many conversions. So you need to work these out yourself, get started, and manage the client expectations. That is the key. But if you've told them or told the client, well, after 3 days you're going to start getting leads and your phone will be constantly ringing, and it doesn't happen, then it's your fault. Right? And this is why you need to manage the client's expectations at all times. So I can see some questions coming in. Yeah, thank you. I'll come on to those later on, so keep pinging them in. Okay, the next one, Jerry's channel. I have a blog, but I hosted my landing page on my autoresponder. Is this right? There's no such thing as right or wrong where you host your landing page. There are lots of many apps where you got your email automation or marketing, and it also allows you to create landing pages on there as well, and some pop-ups and lots of other things which you can do with that. If you got that, might as well use it. You don't need to go anywhere else and spend more money to create a landing page. And if it's working fine, yeah, that's not a problem. Carry on working with your app and create those landing pages. Can you please write, okay, you mean write the ads, Google Ads for me? Sure, every Tuesday, this is what I do. I'll write you ads. If you want me to write any ads for you, send me an email or a message through my website, sfdigital.co.uk. It has got the WhatsApp number over there as well. Send me your URL and just tell me write ads for you. I will do that for you and I'll schedule them in. So every Tuesday we write ads. And I would like to say a big thank you to all of you, Meher, Ronaldo, Kayep, and Abdirahim. Appreciate your comments. It truly makes my day when I see these lovely comments. So please pinging them in. And if you haven't, if you are new here on this channel and you haven't subscribed or hit the bell button, then please do so. Like it, share it, whatever you like to do. Because the more people come across my channel, the more knowledge I can pass on to others. And obviously, as you know, this is all completely free of charge. Okay, Chris. Great video. Gold. Well done. Wow. Thank you, Chris. I truly appreciate that. I have a question. Is it necessary to switch from GA4 from Universal Analytics? I'm currently just getting comfortable with UA, which is Universal Analytics. Should I bother looking into GA4 or just continue to stick with UA? Any major differences? Yes, there will be quite a big learning curve, and there will be lots of differences. You don't have to switch over right now. I would let it settle down, make sure that all the bugs and everything have gone away, and the GA4 is working fine. So Universal Analytics will be sunset, and going forward GA4 is Google Analytics 4. So it's a lot more powerful than Universal, and there are lots of great features as well. We also haven't got to grips with it fully, but what I've seen of it, it looks really good. Okay, Raj. How to track every action in Google Ads? Like someone clicked somewhere, how to know where they clicked? Yeah, good question. So you can track each and pretty much every action someone takes on your website or landing page. Someone clicked a email button, social share or social button like a Facebook like, video play, what else? Call button, form submit buttons, anything, literally whatever you want to track, you can do so. The easiest and the best way is using Google Tag Manager along with Google Analytics and set up goals in Google Analytics. So then you can work out every 100 visitors who come to my website, they click my email button, or they click my Facebook Live button or video view button, then you know how many people are sending you emails and so on. So Tag Manager and Google Universal, or Universal Analytics, I mean, or GA4 are your best friends. Okay, I think I've copied the same one again. Yeah. Can I lower CPC like 0.03 if I don't have any competition? But why am I not getting any results? Lowering the CPC will not guarantee or does not mean that you are going to get results. Even if you don't have any competition, I presume that you are talking about brand keywords where other competitors are not bidding on your brand, because if that is 3 pence or cents, you won't get much out of it on Google these days. Going back 8-9 years, perhaps so, not anymore. And if you do set 3 cents as your bid and you're not getting any impressions, forget the clicks, impressions, that means your bid is too low, you need to go higher. But that does not mean that you are going to get any results, for sure. I opened the keyword planner, but it's empty. I presume you're referring to our Google keyword planner, which you can download for free. Yes, it will be empty because you need to upload your keywords in there and then start using it. Everybody will have their own set of keywords. Hi Rishi, do smart shopping campaign run over lots of budget and provide better results? Any campaign can run and spend lots of budget. It's not about how much budget it is being spent. It's about profitability. Smart shopping does work wonderfully well once we have enough data in the account. From what I have experienced so far to date, if you start smart shopping with zero data, you are going to pull your hair out and you won't have much hair left after a few weeks, because you don't have any control over it. And Google, although is extremely clever enough, far more clever than us humans, still doesn't know what we are looking for, what type of conversions, customers, cost per conversions, or the ROAS figure we are going after. Once you have run manually and then got the campaign running the way you want to, then switch over to smart shopping or smart bidding, you're going to find you're going to get lots of good results. Okay, I'm now going to hop over to the comments. If you have any questions, then please put them in and I'll try to answer them. Hernan, I'm in a hurry. Okay, Google mistakenly suspended my account about 10 days ago. I just made a claim to MasterCard. Google took money from my account and transferred it to MasterCard. So if your account has been suspended, then Google will refund your, you will get the full refund. So that is not a problem. They are very good at it. With regards to your suspension, I'm not sure why that happened. So you need to speak with Google support, and you may have inadvertently, I'm just trying to read this, suspended my, yeah, you may have violated some policy. That's the only way your accounts get suspended. So speak with Google support. Now Google says that they will not open my account, and that there will be not be any another account because it will also close. I can't communicate by phone. Yes, unfortunately at the moment the phone support is down because of COVID, so you will need to reply by email or correspond by email. And that is also true. What you're trying to say is if you try and open up a new account, that will also get suspended. Yeah, I know lots of people have tried, and they've tried different IP addresses, different cards, banking, billing details, names. They somehow all get suspended because Google links these new accounts to your previously suspended accounts. It is very frustrating that they will not tell you what the reason is, but it is quite difficult to get an account back, unfortunately. So I'm sorry to hear about this problem you're having, Hernan. I have a local catering business in Malaysia. Okay. How effective it is to run image ads? In the past, I have experienced high bounce rate with image ad. Yes, that is something which pretty much everyone experiences, because if you are not careful, most of the traffic which is going to come from the Google display network is going to come through the apps. That is, in my opinion, junk traffic. You need to stop that by using, the only way to stop those traffic is through Google Ads Editor, and there's no other way in the interface. We in about 2 years ago we were able to do that, but they took that functionality out. The only way to do that is through Google Ads Editor, and there is one of the videos in my playlist over here where I show you how to stop these ads on apps, and also the targeting. Now, the targeting has become really powerful. If you target the right audiences or the placements, you can get some really good results, which very few people get on GDN, because most of the advertisers are fighting over on the search network, whereas my focus quite often is on display network and on YouTube, where there's very little competition and you can scale. Because let's say you only have 10,000 searches per month for a particular keyword. That is it. That's the ceiling. You can't scale it to 100,000 searches unless people start searching for it. Then more of your ads will show through. But on display and YouTube, sky's the limit. And if you were to pay a little bit more attention on those, you are going to scale your business, and you will not be able to, you cannot imagine how powerful display network is. So in here we've got a full course about display network, video ads, and so on. And this is why I am a big fan of the Google display network and of course YouTube. Hi Adam, what's your pro tip when it comes to search friendly YouTube descriptions? So when you upload a video on YouTube, there are three things you need to consider. You've got to consider the title, obviously the description, and the tags. Those are the only three things where you can put your keywords in. Now, if everybody put the same keywords and similar description, that does not mean that all of these videos will go up on page 1 or on Google page 1 or on YouTube, right? You've seen a lot of my videos popping up on Google page 1 as well. It's because my channel has now gained authority about Google Ads. For the last 3 years, I've just been focusing on this topic alone. Google Ads, Google Ads, Google Ads, YouTube ads, and so on. I'm not talking about affiliate marketing or Amazon ads, Facebook ads, Twitter ads, and so on, which I quite easily can do so. But I'm just focusing on one. And now we have got so much content around it. And people also have started to see me as an expert for Google Ads. So they come to my channel so does Google knows that this channel is all about YouTube or Google Ads, and they start to get indexed. So you need to do some keyword research. The best way to do that is the YouTube suggestion. So when you go to YouTube or Google and you type in a particular keyword, the drop down comes down and you will see the suggested keywords in there. Those are the most popular keywords which people are searching for, and you pick one up and you start to optimize around it. Then we put out that video all over the internet on many channels and platforms: LinkedIn, WordPress, Blogger, not Stumble Upon is shut down, but there are about 20-30 different places. High authority Web 2.0 kind of like websites where we put out content, and that is how YouTube and Google sees all the social proof that I'm on Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, Pinterest, LinkedIn. Then it starts to work. It's like going to the gym. It won't happen overnight. You've got to do it consistently to get the results. Okay. What I presume you are asking, what are the best practices for Google Ads, or where can I Okay, Edu Basics. I'm trying to understand your question. What you're asking is you want to become a freelancer for Google Ads before being a seller. Well, it's the same thing whether you are a freelancer or you are a seller. I believe you want to run and manage ads for other people and other companies, correct? To do that, to be able to do that, you need to learn first. You can't gamble away other people or other businesses' money without knowing what to do and what not to do. So there are lots of obviously content on YouTube and on the internet. You can watch as many videos as you like, read as many blogs as you want, but the only way you are going to learn is by running ads. And to learn and run ads, you got to use your own money. That's what I would recommend you do first. Pick up a product, make a little website, and start learning the system, how it works, what to do, what not to do. Or you join in a company as a trainee, learn from somebody who is experienced enough, and then you take on customers. Until you are confident enough and you are getting results, I would not recommend that you even look at getting new clients. Okay, I think we've covered everybody and everyone. So thank you so much for being with me. It's great to have a lovely conversation with all of you and the interesting questions that you send me. So keep sending them away on the YouTube channel or directly to me, and I'll try my best to answer these questions in these live streams. So that's it for today, ladies and gents. I won't be back tomorrow. My lovely wife would be, and she is talking about, I think, branding. So it's a very interesting topic. So try and join her tomorrow, 4 o'clock in the UK. So till Monday, have a great weekend, and I'll see you guys on Monday. Stay safe till then, and goodbye for now.